Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this week I will check your notes for the grade. Okay, so I will check from number 5 to number 10. Okay, number 5 to number. So make sure you write everything here. Okay, and you do the review also. Okay, so first, this week I will check the notes. Okay, so make sure you complete it, and I will write a grade here. Okay, and today we start from page 28. Page 28. Okay, and the topic is the slope of an intercept of a line. Slope. Okay. So first, now let's see what is the slope-intercept form, which is y equal mx plus b. Please box it. This is very important. And m is the slope. M is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. Okay. So make sure you memorize this form. This is called slope-intercept form. Okay. Now let's see question 1. Find the slope and y-intercept, and then graph the line. So the question is y equal 5x plus 2. 5 times x plus 2. So again, so if you don't see any operation here, that means multiplication. This means multiply. Okay? So now let's find the slope and intercept. What is that? Based on this form, so we know, okay, the slope is m, in this case is 5. Okay? And the y-intercept is b is 2. So the slope is 5 and intercept is 2. And this should be easy. And then graph the line. How to graph it? Make a table. Make a table. Okay? So make a table. So we have x and y. So now let's pick any value for x. And I like to pick 0 because 0 is always easy number. Of course, you can pick 100, but 100 is not easy. So when x equals 0, so x equals 0 here, so 0 times 5, 0 equals 0, 0 plus 2, then y will equal to 2. This is point A. Okay, point A. Now let's see, pick point B. Point B, now I pick x equal to 1. X equal to 1, so 1 times 5 equals 5, 5 plus 2 equals 2, 7, 5 plus 2 equals 7. So this is point B. So point A is right here. Also make a table clearly. So this is x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x-axis, and this line is y-axis, y. So point A is right here, and point B is right here. So we make a line. This is y equal 5x plus 2. Okay? We're done question 1. Question 2, same. But now the question is a little different. 10x minus 5y equal 15. Okay, so remember, in order to write slope-intercept form, we need to make it this. Okay, I won't make this. So that means we need to isolate y. So that means we need to isolate, so notes, isolate y. Okay, isolate y. So how to isolate y? In this case, we can minus 5 on, or plus 5 on both sides and do the reverse. So what we get will be 10x equal 15. 15 plus 5y. We are super close. But again, we want isolate y only. So now let's remove the 15. So we minus 15 on both sides. And then we will get 10x minus 15 equal 5y. We are close. Now it's y only. But in front of it is still 5. So I won't remove y. So how? Divide by 5 on both sides. Divide by 5 on both sides. On everything. So we get 2x minus 3 equal to y. Okay. So we are super close. Then we rewrite it. So y, so this form, we just switch it, okay? So y will equal to x minus 3. So what's the slope now? The slope is equal to, and y-intercept is equals 3. Get it? So now, let's graph it. Now let's graph it. So here, this one, we can, okay? So now the line is y equal to x minus 3. So now let's write it. y equal to x minus 3. Okay, and now let's make a table, x and y. Okay, so again, we only need 2 points. So now when x, I still like pick 0. Easy number. 0 times 2 equals 0. 0 minus 3 equals negative 3. Right here. And x equal to 1. X equal to 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. Okay? So now we graph this one. So x-axis, y-axis. Now 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay? So when x equals 0, y equals negative 3, this point A is right here. Point A. And point B, when x equals 1, y equals negative 1, which is right here. So let's graph it. Okay? That's question 2. Now let's do question 3. Okay, question 3. 10x minus plus 5y equal 15. Okay, so we do very similar things with example 2, but now we can remove 10x on both sides. Okay, so we can have y on one side only. So 5y will equal 15 minus 10x, but we want x in the front first. So here we make a slight change. 5y will equal negative 10. So now I just switch this. Okay, negative 10x plus 15. Okay, and now we want isolate 1, so we divide by 5 on everything. We divide by 5 on everything. So y will equal to negative 2x plus 3. So what is the slope? What is the slope? Now slope is negative 2. What is y-intercept? What is y-intercept? Now it's 3. Okay? Now let's graph it. This one, y equal to x minus 3. Negative 2x plus 3. So again, make a table for x and y. Now, when x equal to 0, I like to pick 0, okay? So 0 times negative 2 equals 0. 0 plus 3 equals 3. And then x equal to 1. So 1 times negative 2 equals negative 2. Negative 2 plus 3 equals to 1. Now, let's graph it. Okay? This axis, y-axis. So this is equal 1, 2, 3, and this is equal 1. Point A, when x equals 0, y equals 3 is right here, A. And then when x equal to 1, y equal to 1 is point B. So the line right here. So this is the line y equal to negative 2x plus 3. Okay? This is okay, so we are done this one. So now I want to do one question. Assignments. I do assignments. Page 43, number 104. Only one question. Okay? Very easy. And due tomorrow, do another paper. Okay? And last line, I want you to write down MVP. What do you learn? Last 2 lines, I want to write MVP. What do you learn? So again, this week I will check your notebook. So make sure your notebook is ready.